Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Galaxy Slime Kit is probably one of the most fun and engaging DIY projects you can find. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of cosmic slime, exploring everything from the vibrant colors to the satisfying textures. This kit promises a universe of fun, offering a hands-on experience that sparks creativity and provides a fantastic sensory adventure for kids and adults alike. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit for Girls. This amazing kit is perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. It encourages creativity and provides a fun, hands-on experience. It's a great gift idea. Dive into a world of colorful, scented slimes. The delightful textures and scents provide endless entertainment. This is a top choice for girls who love sensory play. The 31-piece set offers everything needed for imaginative play. Girls can create their own unique slime recipes. It's a popular choice for gifts. The kit is designed with easy-to-follow instructions. This ensures a smooth crafting experience. It's perfect for girls who love hands-on activities. This slime kit is an excellent choice for girls aged 8 to 10. It inspires children to explore their artistic side. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What we like? This kit is all about the sweet life, with an ice cream theme that's sure to delight. It offers sensory crafting fun with delightful textures and scents. If you're looking for a gift that combines creativity and fun for girls, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. The kit comes with everything needed to make the slimes, including colorants, foam beads, and scent options. Number 4. Original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit, Multicolor. Introducing the Original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. It's perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. This kit lets them create amazing, glowing galactic designs. Inside, discover glittery pink, purple, and blue slimes. This kit is a fantastic gift for a 10-year-old's birthday. It offers a world of vibrant slime fun. This glow-in-the-dark slime kit encourages creativity. It's designed for girls aged 8 to 10. It provides everything needed for hours of entertainment. Looking for gifts for girls aged 10 to 12? This slime kit is an excellent choice. It offers engaging activities and creative exploration. It's a memorable gift. This make-your-own slime kit includes everything needed. From fluffy slime to glow-in-the-dark elements, it's perfect for girls who love crafting. They will have a blast. What we like? With glow-in-the-dark stars, this kit lets you create a cosmic masterpiece. It's all about sparkling fun, with glittery slimes that are sure to impress. If you like the idea of a galactic adventure, this kit will let you explore your creativity. What people say. You can make a variety of different really cool slimes with pretty colors, sparkles, foam balls, glow-in-the-dark. It even comes stickers and glow-in-the-dark stars. It comes with everything you need to make it, and the amount you get makes quite a bit. So easy to use, and the container to store is also a plus. Number 3. FunKidz Galaxy Slime Kit for Kids. This kit lets you make galaxy slime with easy-to-follow instructions. It gives kids a magical outer space feeling, and they can share the fun with their friends. This FunKidz slime is made with premium materials, making it super soft and stretchy. Remember to add water to the glue before mixing with the activator. You'll make plenty of slime. It's an excellent gift for kids aged 6 to 12. Suitable for birthdays, holidays, school prizes, or Christmas. It's a great choice for any occasion. Add colorful beads, glitters, foam, and glow-in-the-dark stars to the slime. It becomes more beautiful and shiny. It helps children realize their dreams. Put the stars into your awesome slime and store it in a cute star-shaped bottle. Make your own galaxy-themed slime craft. The stars will glow in the dark. Create slime with this kit and learn about space. It's a fun way to explore the science behind it. Make different types of slime like cloud, butter, glitter, and glow-in-the-dark slime. You can also add white clay for more colors. There are endless combinations to discover. What we like. This kit makes it easy to create galaxy slime with simple instructions. It offers a variety of add-ins to make your slime unique and fun. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Sheehan had a blast doing some of the many experiments this kit offers. In one experiment we filled a test tube with water and added some special oil. We then dipped said tube in a clear glass of water and the test tube disappeared as we lowered it in. Pretty cool. I liked the range of resources in this kit. Number 2. Original Stationery Rose Gold Slime Kit. Introducing the Original Stationery Mini Metallic Shimmer and Shine Slime Kit, perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. This kit lets young creators explore vibrant gold and rose gold slime creations. It's a fun way to get creative. The kit includes everything needed: liquid glue, slime activator, glitter, and bling beads. This ensures an immersive slime-making adventure. Kids can experiment with unique textures and colors. It's a creative and educational experience that stimulates artistic expression. Designed for children ages 8 to 12, this kit promotes sensory skills and imaginative play. It's a great way to learn and have fun. A detailed picture instruction manual guides young creators through the process. This fosters confidence and independence. With clear steps, they can easily make fluffy slime with minimal supervision. Perfect for birthday parties or as creative party supplies. This slime kit offers endless entertainment and creativity. Its engaging components and exciting possibilities make it a fantastic choice for young enthusiasts. What we like. This kit offers a metallic shimmer and shine, perfect for creating glamorous slime. It comes with complete components, including glue, activator, glitter, and beads. If you like a creative mixing activity, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It came with all of its things and had a good amount of glue. The slime looked super cool, and my daughter loves it. Este sed incluye todo lo necesario para crear diferentes tipos de slime con colores, texturas y efectos únicos, convirtiéndolo en una experiencia divertida y relajante. Number 1. Original Stationery Dino Galaxy Slime Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this amazing slime kit. It allows them to craft vibrant dinosaur scenes using colorful slime and dinosaur toys. This engaging DIY kit fosters imaginative expression. Encourage your kids to explore and create with this slime kit, perfect for ages 7 and up. It reduces screen time and promotes artistic growth. It's also a great Halloween activity. Watch as your child creates glow-in-the-dark and galaxy-themed slimes. This kit captivates with celestial effects, adding a mystical element to celebrations. It enhances the fun of seasonal parties. Participate in slime-making activities that boost coordination and stimulate creativity. This kit is designed for children ages 7 and up, offering a perfect balance of learning and entertainment. Delight children with this unique birthday gift or party supply. This kit captivates kids with engaging activities and endless fun possibilities, making it a perfect birthday gift idea. What we like. This kit lets you craft dinosaur worlds with colorful slime and dinosaur toys. It also features glow-in-the-dark effects for added fun. If you like the idea of a unique gift that combines dinosaurs and slime, it is a great choice. What people say. My 6-year-old son had a blast making all the different kinds of slime. It also comes with a lot of the activator so I can buy more glue and continue making more slime. Comes with everything you need. Easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.